Welcome everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about how you can clone a guest VM. This task, cloning a VM, that's a very important task, and this is a task which system admins or build engineers have to perform very often. Reason being, if I have to give example of enterprise setup, on a daily basis, you will be creating 10, 20, 50 VMs. If you create every time a new VM from scratch, that is going to take hours, means minimum 5 to 10 hours. No one have that much time, and that's a waste of time. Instead, what you can do, you can create a base VM, apply your SOE configuration or all the required settings, or do the baking stuff like put your required RPM, put monitoring things. Once everything is done, you can keep that particular VM as your source VM for all new builds. Like if you have worked on VMware, in VMware you create a VMware template, which is basically a VM in a template format from which you can create many VMs. Basically, you are cloning the thing. So same thing is applicable to KVM. You can create a VM, apply SOE settings, then you can create that VM as your source VM for future VM creations or future VM builds. So what you have to do before cloning a VM, just ensure you shut down your source VM, then you run virt-clone, then you specify your original or source VM, then you specify your target VM, and you specify the target file path. File path is basically the disk image which will be created for your target VM. Once that is done, your VM cloning is done. You can power on the VM, then you can configure your target VM, whatever the required configuration. That's very easy, guys. So let's do a quick lab. So here, let me run wash list. I got one VM, lab VM 11. So let me power it down. Let's check status of lab VM 11. Okay, it's gone, it's down. So to clone, virt-clone original. Original will be your original VM, source VM basically, and there is no need to specify your right target because you have to specify dash name for your new VM. I am cloning it as lab VM 12, and after that you specify file path, and here this is the file path for my target VM. I'm saying it's lab vm12.qcall2. Cloning is easy. You can see one command and it was very quick because we are writing onto same storage where this existing VM storage file was there. So you can see it allocated a drive with the 5 GB capacity. Basically, it will see what is the source drive capacity. It will allocate of same size. Then you can do resizing if required. So guys, VM is created. Let's run virsh list. Right now, both VMs are down, so no one will be listed here. Let's run with -- all. Yep, you can see lab VM 12 is there now. Let's power on this one. You can see this VM started perfect, and now you can do operating system level changes as I mentioned. So guys, that's a way to clone a VM. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.